there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix not receiving iPhone's verification text. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are not receiving their iPhone's verification text and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, this is a very common issue which iPhone users are facing nowadays. But don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix not receiving iPhone verification text on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your signal strength. Ensure that your iPhone has a strong cellular signal or is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Poor signal strength can sometimes prevent verification text from being delivered. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again, you scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying these three steps, then you have to do is simply disable the do not disturb mode on your iPhone. If you have enabled do not disturb mode on your iPhone, it may be preventing verification text from appearing. To disable it, you have to simply go to the control center on your iPhone and you will see an option focus. Simply tap. If it's like this, then simply tap on it and disable it. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset your all settings on your iPhone. So guys, to do this, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again, you scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix not receiving iPhone's verification text. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.